Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome to the basic tutorial of ls command with 10 use cases. I'm using fish shell, however if you are using a different shell like bash or csh, that's fine. All the commands are going to be same. With the ls command you can list out all the files and directory on a specific path. So let's see the basic use case of it. So I'm now on my home directory, so I want to see everything inside this current path inside my home directory. So I can just type ls and it is showing me all the directories and files inside my home directory. So that's the most basic use of ls command, but you can do more with this. So suppose you want to list out all these things in a vertical list with some more information. You can use the L option, so ls-l, and now it is showing me everything same but with more information. So this one is the user permission things, these are the links, then we have this user groups, this is the file size, and this is the last modification date. Now note that all the directories has this / at the end, which means it's a directory. And also if you see this permission column, we have D at the first, which indicates that it's a directory, but on this test.js file, it is not a directory, it's a simple file. That's why we don't have anything, we have just hyphen instead of D. If you are not seeing this / at the end, you need to use the -F command, so ls-l, then capital F, and then you will see the / on the directory names. Now this doesn't include the hidden files. To see the hidden files, you need to use the lowercase a option, so L lowercase a, and now we are also seeing the hidden directories. Now if I scroll up, you will see this / and // However, if you don't want to see them, you can use the capital A flag, and now you won't see the / thing. Now you can also specify a path, so ls-l, and I want to see everything inside the etc directory, so /etc, and now it is showing everything inside the etc directory. However, you can specify multiple directories, for example ls/etc and then my pictures directory. So first it has listed out the etc directory stuff and then the pictures directory. You can also list files and directories recursively. For example, if I go to the pictures directory of pictures, then type ls, it is showing me this wallpaper file and the screenshots directory. However, if I just type ls screenshots, it has more files. So by default, it will not list out files recursively. So if you want to list recursively, you have to use the capital R command. Sorry, not command, option. So I will go back to my home directory and now I will type ls pictures, then capital R, and now it has done a recursive listing. So let's go back to the pictures directory and then screenshots. So let's run again ls-l. So this column is actually showing you the file size, but this number is bytes, but that's not much human readable. You might want to see the file size in megabytes, kilobytes, and terabytes, and so on. To do that, you need to use the H option, so ls-lh, and now the file sizes are human readable. So this is 240 kilobytes, 175 kilobytes, and so on. This is 0, probably the file is corrupted. Now if I list out everything inside my home directory, you can see the directories are now colored. You might not see this, you might just see only white color. If you want to see colors, you can just pass the option ls-color, and you get few options. You can choose auto, never, and always. So you can use always. I need to do that on my home directory. So if you use this color option, then you will see the colors. Okay, so now let's talk about sorting. So Actually, let me just run the lslh command. You can see the files are not sorted by their size, so I will just type ls-lh, then capital S. And now you are seeing all the files are sorted by their size in a descending order. So this is the biggest file and this is the smallest file. You can also reverse this sorting with the R command, option. So I will run the same command but with R option. And now it's sorted in a descending order. You can also sort the files by the last modified time. So I'm going to remove the sorting. So let's run ls-lh, then you can pass t. And now all the files are sorted. So this is the newest file and this is the oldest file. So that's it. That's all there is I wanted to show you. ls is one of the most useful command. So it is better to understand how to use it. And if you want to find more information, you can always see the man page of ls. Just type man, then ls, and you will find all the possible options. So that's it. That's it for the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.